If you operate your Bambu Lab 3D printer in LAN-only mode because you want to protect your 3D models and print data and do without the cloud, this is no problem in a private network. The PC with Bambu Studio and the Bambu Lab printer are on the same network. The print data is transferred directly via your LAN, local area network. At work, it might be different. For security reasons, PCs and printers are often located in different subnets or VLANs, virtual LANs. The printer sends its information, but Bambu Studio's automatic search cannot find it. This is where IGES Bambu Wingman comes in. Wingman helps Bambu Studio locate the printer across the entire network, even across subnet boundaries. This allows Bambu Studio and the printer to communicate reliably, even in complex corporate network structures. All functions intended by Bambu Lab will then be available.